Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. In front of me, Sony Alpha, and I can show you how in video mode, in movie mode, manage proxy recording setting. To find it, firstly you need to open the second block, first page, movie settings, in the menu. Then find here proxy recording, and here we have on and off. So when it's on, so proxy recording it enables or disables, of course, the recording of lower resolution proxy files alongside the high resolution video files. So two files will be recorded at the same time. Proxy files are smaller and easier to work with during editing, for example. Speeding up the editing process, it's a very good idea if you need to work with a lot of files. So when it's on, the camera records both high resolution and lower resolution proxy files. When it's off, so the camera only records high resolution files. So you can enable it to record the both. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you!